Hello, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Strategic Algo Level for the upcoming trading session. Please like us, share to your friends and subscribe us. You can follow us on the given links below. Please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get updates as on. About us, please do read it. Some points to remember before trading. It is very important. Please go through it. We believe in the mathematical trading, algos system oriented. Market is a mechanism to extract money from the system.
Yes, hello guys. These were the expected moves we were expecting for the 13th of August. As you can see, these were the figures taken at 3:30 p.m. 12th August. And below today I have inserted these figures also, which are actual moves for the today's trading session. This was the open, which was almost this figure, you can see. And as I said earlier also, that Nifty will travel 40 odd points from here. I yesterday told that point. And Nifty tried to travel at 11,366, but then profit booking happened. And as it was expiry day, and 100 points profit booking took place. We closed at the last traded price 11,323.45. Now, this is the 14th August expected moves. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day for the next expiry week. That is 20th of August. Now this time is 3:30 p.m. 13th August. And currently market is at around this level 11,323. We are still expecting that a possible high of 11,375 can be on cards. But on the downside, if this figure is taken out 11,246, then you can see this is a 0.4 number. This is also 0.4 number. This means these two figures are very crucial for the upcoming trading week. Now, this is the last hope for you to be biased for bullish side. After this area, do not keep your buy trade open. You can enter your buy trade at this level because this is the 0.4, and now the next 0.4 will come around here. So it is very big downside. So this is the last hope for you for the third week, upcoming week. After this, you should not hold the buy trades in Nifty futures. For further information or further live rates, you can anytime contact us on our given Telegram channel. Thank you and happy trading. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, just feel free to contact us. The below is our NS Trading 999 is our Telegram channel. Do like it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.